A few videos ago, I made mention that I needed to replace, ouch, my little GoPro 7 Black because it's giving me some issues. And I said that I wasn't going to replace it until I hit 500 subs. However, it went on sale. So, because of the Christmas sale, I saved $50 on this thing. And I thought, it's worth it. I'll go ahead and do it. So, wife went and picked this up yesterday? Yeah, you went yesterday to pick it up. So, this is kind of the unboxing. This is the Hero Black 13, GoPro 13. It's got all kinds of new features on it. My biggest hope is that it just works and it has better battery life and everything else that goes along with that. So let's open this thing up. Now this will be part of a longer video because I'll actually talk about some of the features on this thing and what I like about it and things like that. But we'll start with the opening. Okay. You better focus on the box. There it is. Very well packed tray. I don't know how to get into. There it goes. Okay, so it opens up. We've got all the happy little marketing cards, warranty cards, etc., etc. Comes with the charging cord. It's a C to C. Comes with a battery. And let's see what the difference is. It's supposed to be a different battery than what came on the 7. It looks to be, I don't know if you can see it. It's a little bit bigger. A little bit thicker, probably about half again thicker, and maybe 10% bigger. It's got the contacts on the side, on the bottom side, instead of on the bottom middle. So, okay, that's interesting. Comes with a mount, sticky mount. Of course, it's got the screw thingy. Let's see here, what kind of other mounts does it come with? Comes with the, just the piece that goes in there. Let's pull out the camera itself. You seem to have it very well packaged. I would hope so for $300. Peel all the stuffies off of it. Camera must be updated before you can use it. Nice little writing on the back. So I'll plug it in here in a few minutes. Get it updated. Let's see here. It's got a gotta figure out how to open it. I guess the battery is now on the side. Probably have to look at the directions. Nope, that's an opening that way. I will probably have to look at the directions on how to open this thing. Oh, there it is. What do I do with the battery? Ouch. Let's see here. There's no SD card, so I'm going to have to put an SD card in it, which means I probably can't get this thing to boot up. There's something in the way or not?
Run 5 minutes.
That's fine. Everything's a little bit tight. Okay, it comes on. I have GoPro. Once we do a camera setup. The nice thing about this one, it's got a screen on the front and the back. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, we'll do a more in-depth review on the GoPro Black 13 in the next video. My name is Chris. I'm the Rusty Caveman, playing with some new toys. Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day.